One of our favorite things to make for around the pool is bourbon popsicles. So we've got several different types for you today. All these have been made with the Holladay soft red wheat. It's
award-winning.
Yes, award-winning. They're super simple and easy to do. Get yourself some popsicle molds. We'll put the recipe up for you to have for each one of them. It takes about half a cup of bourbon for each type, but they're super yummy. My favorite is the Georgia peach one here. It's even got a little peach on the inside. You got the peach
same
one?
as yours, but I'll try it.
Try it. All right.
Peach.
Cheers. I told you it's good. It's my fave. Mm-hmm. Wait, come on. So this is the spiced apple cider. So the brown you see is a little bit of cinnamon. It's so good. Okay. Wow. All right, go for your favorite. Oh, that
I
one.
know I'm messing with you.
Okay.
What's this one?
Okay, which one is this one, babe?
Blackberry Smash.
Blackberry Smash. Made with real blackberries.
Good Lord.
Thank you.
You just see it.
I hand smashed those myself.
You see it.
So good. Okay. Now we have the maple bacon bourbon. Okay, this has bacon in it.
Really?
Uh-huh.
It's in the name.
And it's got maple syrup. What do you think?
It's got bourbon in it.
Mm-hmm.
It's good.
It's in the name. Stop. I'm gonna go back to my peach one. This is my favorite. The Georgia peach by far.
Blackberry Smash.
Hands down.
Man, this is great.
Mm-hmm.
Make it with your favorite bourbon. It's our favorite bourbon. One of America's favorite bourbons.
Let us know what you think.
America.
You're such a dork.
You good.
I know, I told you. What? He's waiting.
Make sure the camera goes.